friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Why do I clap now all of a sudden? If you watch my last few videos, I do a little clap before we announce what we're doing. Though you know what we're doing because you read the title. Clap. We have the Stitch Fix! And I didn't unbox it yet, even though I know what's in here. I didn't unbox it yet because I wanted you to see how thin this is. We are getting into spring, we are getting into summer. Our spring just passed us by because of COVID. So, we're going to bust into it. I did peek on the app, of course, because you know I'm impatient. But I did get the notification that it shipped and I was like, I'm not going to look. And I will have you know that I went like a whole 5 hours or so without looking. So, progress is being made. Let's open it. I just got a text. It's probably from Kohl's. It is. No. Well, it is. But also, my boss just texted me. So, shout out. We'll look at that later. Anywho. First, we will read our style note, which I haven't read yet. And I'll be curious to see what it says because my stylist, I hope it's Kristen, did send me like one item that as I was scrolling through, I'm like, why? It's pretty, but why? Hi, Rachel. It is Kristen. Yay. Hi, Rachel. How are you? I scrolled down to the bottom. I am so excited to style you again. I'm excited for you to style me again, too. Thank you for all of your patience during this crazy time. Joggers are in high demand. And I couldn't find a pair for this fix, but I promised to keep my eye out for them. Cool. Because I did buy the olive pair of joggers from the Shop Your Looks. But I am looking for like a black one or maybe like a gray or something. Oh, I pulled inspiration from both your spring and stay-at-home boards on Pinterest. When you're home and relaxing, wear the pink clover or market and spruce tops with a pair of leggings or jeans. I gotta turn the volume off my phone because that's a group text with my work and it's gonna keep going off. I'm gonna get through the note. In jeans now and with shorts when the weather decides to warm up. I would love for you to send me some shorts, Kristen. Because I only have like one pair of jean shorts. Both tops have a classic but on-trend stripe. I'm going out on a limb with the AVLN Studio Dress. This is the item that I was like, why? It's stretchy, super comfy, and you can dress it up or down. Go for a boho vibe and rock it with the Alice Blue Kimono. I can't wait to watch your unboxing video on this fix. Enjoy trying it all on. I hope you're well and enjoying your time at home. Stay healthy. XO, Kristen. Thanks, Kristen. I hope you're doing well, too. It's been weird. It's been weird. All right, let me turn the volume off my phone because I don't want to keep hearing from all my peeps. There we go. All right, so here is our little tiny bundle, you guys. Oh, it's so squishy. It's so squishy. We have some light blue. We have some pinky corally stripe. We have some purpley beige stripe. We have some navy. And we have this floral. Oh, it's very exciting. Very exciting. You guys. And I will say I did order something else from the Shop Your Looks earlier this week. And it's shipped already. And it's supposed to be here on Saturday. Today's Thursday. So their shipping is getting faster now, I have noticed. So, we will bust into it. Crinkle! It's not my fault it's so crinkly. Alrighty. I did see another Stitch Fix unboxer get this top. Her name is Mini Me in Tennessee, I believe. And this is by PINQUE, P-I-N-Q-U-E. The Levona button-down tie front knit top in light blue. And the thing about this top that I really am excited about that I saw when I watched her unbox video is these are not functional buttons. And for the well endowed, it's nice when they're faux buttons so they're not gonna spread apart like that. And it has the cute tie front, nice light blue for spring. I'm really getting into the light blue. I've never been like a light blue wearer. But I'm excited. In stark contrast to my bright orange today. All right, I'm excited about that one. And then we have the Mark & Spruce Juuna, Juuna, high-low knit top in coral. And I have this in a gray and white stripe that I got from Poshmark. But this one's really pretty and springy with the coral instead. So it's just a nice basic tee. Mark & Spruce, great quality. And I'm excited about this one. I read that one? Yeah. Exclusive. It's exclusive. You know I love a cowl neck. This is nice thin material too. I'm going to show you, don't worry. I'm trying to find the tag. Pink Clover, so you know it's soft, right Lisa? Sybill cowl neck, knit top in purple. Super duper cute if I can get it lined up. There we go. So it's got the stripes down the bodice, and then it has the solid sleeve, and then the stripes at the cuff again. And then it has the drawstring at the cowl neck. Yeah, I like that. Okay, Kristen, I don't know why you sent this one. This is so formal. Okay, so it's super formal. AVLN Studio. Cathy knit dress in navy, of all things. I don't know. I have no place to wear it. I'll try it on. I'll try it on. But literally when I was scrolling through what you sent on the app, I was like, what? Why? I just wanted comfy things. This is very sturdy. I just hit myself in the nose with the tag. But I will try it on. I'll try it on and see. And then last week, this is so slinky, soft. It's mesh. Mesh. I don't know. Alice Blue, Devonia mesh kimono in navy. You can see me. So that's cute with the floral. Super lightweight. This would be really good for summer to like put over tank tops because it's so lightweight. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So I mean, I like 4 out of the 5 things. Like, that dress, man. Okay, let's try it on. Today's look is brought to you by Marshalls. I got this top before October. This is the first time I've worn it. I think I plan on wearing it like in October around Halloween, but I just never did. And then I have my Vegas jeans that I kept from my last Stitch Fix unboxing that I've been loving. These Vegas jeans, the couple of times I've worn them, because most of us have been living in sweatpants and leggings. Here we have the kimono. My dog's barking, if you can hear that. You're welcome. Long sleeve. It feels really nice. Like I said, it feels like really slinky and smooth and like soft. It's weird how a mesh can feel soft, but let me angle you down so you can see the length of it. There's my dog just barking away. Yeah, so it's a nice length. No split on the side or anything. It goes over your butt. So with shorts, it would look like, you know, you're not wearing anything. But that's okay. You know, some people like that look. Sometimes I do. I just put it over a white tank top from Kohl's. The layered necklace. I think that's really cute. It'd be good in the office too, because like, I don't know about you guys, but my office is either like hellfire or really like ice tundra. So you never know what you're gonna have on a day-to-day basis. So like a lightweight thing like this, I think is cute. What do you guys think? Ignore the cord. So this is the pink clover. I really like it. What do you guys think? I like the purple. I like these stripes on the bodice and then the solid here. I like the drawstring being like kind of different color. You can leave it down like that, kind of sweatshirty. You can tie it in a bow. That's my bow tying song. Fun fact, my papa ties the best bows. When I was younger and would do dance class or like wear a pretty dress or something, He would always tie my bows for me in like the back of my dress. Little fun fact there. So yeah, this is really comfy cute. Good length. It covers the rump for leggings if you wanted to wear it for leggings. I think I like this down better than tied. What do you guys think? It's a little mismatched right now. You can fix that. You can tuck it in. I think that's cute. I like it. Where I live, it's, you know, can still be cold out. The other day it was like 70 out, and then the next day it was like 50. So I think this is nice because it's a little thinner too. I like it. I really like this blue. What do you guys think? The buttons don't come apart because they're fake. They have the cute tie there. You could probably tie it up a little bit higher there to get rid of that hole, but I'm not going to tie it right now. Little flutter sleeves, a nice V-neck. It's a nice length in the back. I think I like it. You guys, I like the 3 things so far. I got one more shirt and then that dress. Oh, what do you guys think? I'm really liking the light kind of baby blue. Sorry if you can hear the wind. It is so windy today. So here's the Mark & Spruce t-shirt, the high-low. High-low. Yeah, it's just like basic nice weight t-shirt with the cute corally stripes. You can tuck it in. I mean, honestly, you can tuck any shirt in, really. Who are we kidding? Yeah, it's cute. I have it in gray and white already, so I know I like it. I mean, it's cute. I saw this thing on Instagram where you take your shirt and you like this, and then I think you do it maybe again if you want like a nice side kind of tucked in look. I don't know, something like that, just in your belt loop. My belt loop. What do you guys think? Nice kind of spring color. Kristen, no! Everything else was great! I just needed one more casual shirt. I don't know why this is in my box. I'm not really a navy dress girl. I feel like, no offense to anyone who loves navy dresses, I just feel like it's a little bit matronly. It's bad. Let me show you. It's like a fitted dress, first of all. Nope. And I'm not one to wear shapewear. Like, I would rather buy a dress that I'm comfortable in than have to wear shapewear. No. Kristen, no! I just needed one more comfy thing. And it would have been a 5 for 5. Okay, let's go over prices. Okay, friends, let's go over prices. This is fixed number 41 for me, by the way. I'm just saying. Okay, so the pink clover Sybill cowl neck knit top in purple, $44. The pink Levona button down tie front knit top in light blue, $34. That's really good. I love that. I like that shirt. I love it. I like it. I love it. Alice blue Devonia mish. You guys can't talk. Devonia mesh kimono in navy, $40. The AVLN Studio Cathy Ponte fitted dress in navy, $48. And the Mark & Spruce Juuna high-low knit top in coral, $44. So good prices on everything. The highest thing was that dress at $48, and then $44 or less for the rest. So good prices, Kristen. The stylist pick subtotals $210. If I kept everything, it'd be $52.50 off of that, making the box total $157.50. And I do have credit right now. I just can't remember how much I have because I just got a gift card from my mother-in-law, Kelly, for my birthday, so thank you. And I just don't remember how much credit I have right now, but I think it's around like 80 something. So I can't keep everything because that dress is bad. Sorry, Kristen, it's bad. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I like everything else. I might email them and maybe see if they can make an exception. I know they've done that for my friend Megan before, so yeah, I think I might have to do that. Oh, you guys. Okay, so if you want to try Stitch Fix for yourself and you haven't done it before, click on my link down below. It's actually my mom's link, and that'll give you $25 towards your first box. And then my mom would get $25 referral credit as well, because I'm capped out for the year on referral credit. So if you could, click on my mom's link below if you want to try it. It's free 25 bucks. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and that really means a lot to me, you guys. Like, it makes me know that you're liking, you know, me, I guess. So give it a big thumbs up, and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed and you like these kind of unboxings. I like them too. I watch all you guys' Stitch Fix videos. I like them. Yeah, so you guys, I'm going to try to get another box pretty soon too. I think their shipping might be like turning back around now. So yeah, you guys, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you next time.